To restore old YouTube layout, we have to install a extension to our browser. So I'm using Chrome browser. In my case, I'm opening Chrome Web Store, and all you have to need, go to your browser web store and search for YouTube Redux, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So add the extension to your browser. Once the extension added here, you can change the settings to adjust your YouTube old layout. So here you can see number of videos per row. You can change the value from here, and after that, here we can see my current or new YouTube layout. And now I'm going to opening my YouTube in a different tab, and here we can see YouTube old layout successfully applied to my youtube.com. And that's it for now.